so we ordered our Owlet sock a while back. Whenever we ordered it, we pre-ordered the camera, so I already cut the tape on this. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out, open it with you guys so you can see what all it comes with. So, it comes in a nice box just like the Owlet sock did. So, I'll try to do this the best way without messing the box up, because I like to keep boxes. Alright, so nicely packaged as expected. Alright, if you want to take a look at this, live stream anywhere, background audio, secure encrypted Wi-Fi, room temperature sensor, pairs with the sock for details, Owlet cam, sold separately obviously. Look at the box here, two-way audio, 1080p, that's nice, night vision, 130-degree wide open lens. What's in the box? Owlet cam, magnetic base, USB cable with a temperature sensor, power adapter, Owlet app, wall mounting kit with cable guards. Alright. Okie dokie. Let's see. Sorry. Here we go. Owlet on the top. It's tiny. As you can see, this is the size of a pin. You can see how big that is. Alright. Oh, it's a little. Check that out. Pretty cool. That's a very strong magnet. Not going anywhere. Alright, so I'm going to set this right there so I don't mess that up. I'll put it where you can see it. Alright. So in here, we have our power adapter, wall mounting kit, cable guards, more cable guards, and what is this? Oh, this is the wall mounter, I believe. Somehow, we'll figure this out. Not 100% sure what this is, but it looks like it opens. Oh, it's our cables. Nice little cable kit. I guess you can keep this with you if you want to go on vacation and you're going to spend the night at Mimi and Papa's or whatever. So that's all that's in the box besides the instruction manual. All right. So again, we've got our nice little camera. It's got the peel stick, which I'm not going to take off right now. Nice base that's going to be able to connect to the wall. I'm thinking that's just a screw port. I thought it was a plug-in. Have our adapter back here. Okay. So apparently you could hang it on a wall like this over the crib and angle it whichever way you want it. That's really cool. All right. So we got our cables, our wall mounting materials. That's the screws and stuff in there. I guess we can go ahead and take those out and look at those. Not exactly sure what all that's to keep the wires. Got a screw. Some more wall mounting with looks like some peel-on stick for the wall, so that's cool. That's that one. Cable guards. That's all of these that go up the wall, so you don't have a cord hanging all over the place. So I got a whole pack of these. That's cool. That goes with that. There's more of those, so that's good. And let's see. to a USB. I call them cubes, but I don't know what they're really called. That one's not really a cube. So that's it. I'm gonna try to hook some of this up here, and I'll let you know how it goes. Okay, so I just plugged it in, and this nice little red light popped on. I've got the account opened, the app opened to account. Now, maybe I need to hit the on button. Let's see. Oh, I see blue. See if that changes anything on my app.
Ready to pair.
Ready to pair, it says. Okay, after multiple attempts to get this to work, without any help from the instructions, I had to figure out for myself that you cannot use the old app that was used previously. There are 3 apps. There's Owlet Baby Care, that's the old one. There's Owlet Connected Care, that's the one that shows you all of his levels and everything. And apparently there's the new Owlet app. So I downloaded it. You have to use the same email address and everything as you use on the old one in order to get it to connect right to your old stuff, which I haven't seen that yet, so because I just had to add in brand new. So then I had to make sure that my cell phone was on the same Wi-Fi connection as the sock and the base, so I had to do that, and then had to confirm email after starting this new app, and then I had to connect the new app to the base. So I'm guessing that the old app is obsolete now, but I still have it just in case. So now you can go to account, add device, add Owlet Cam, get started, turn on your Owlet Cam. Already did that. That's on the back here. That's when it started blinking blue. Alright, so I'm thinking that's done. Next, make sure it's in pairing mode. It said ready to pair a while ago, and it should be blinking red and blue. That's what it says. Enable location when prompted so we can detect your Wi-Fi network. So next, 8. Next, hold your screen up to the Owlet Cam until you hear a chime. This is like magic. Okay. There's the chime. Craziness. Setup will continue automatically upon successful connection. This may take up to 2 minutes. Alright, next we'll check for updates. So we'll go to check for updates. 1 second, checking for updates. And it says it's been updated. Let's go to next. You could read all that if you want. Would like to assign this to Jasper. We'll call it Jasper's camera. Your camera is set up and ready to go. Alright, so I have set it up. This is how it's going to work. So you go to open the Owlet app. That's the new one, not the old. It's going to connect. And there we go. Looks like you can do it sideways and see the full picture. So I have it on my dog right now because I didn't want to wake my son up whenever I go to do anything. Alright, so